Which of the following is the nickname for Muhammad Ali, an American professional boxer and activist? The Greatest, the Terrible, the Golden Arm, the Waltz King. The correct answer is the Greatest. Which famous Anglo-Saxon scholar is known for his translation of the Bible into Old English? Bede, Keedman, Alcuin, Wulfstan. The correct answer is Bede. Basenji dogs are highly intelligent and are known to be easy to train, independent and stubborn, obedient and loyal, timid and anxious. The correct answer is independent and stubborn. Carthage was eventually destroyed by the Romans in the year 146 BCE, 100 BCE, 73 BCE, 44 BCE. The correct answer is 146 BCE. Which painting features a group of women having a picnic in a garden? Dejeuner Sir L. Herb, Edouard Manet. Luncheon of the Boating Party, Pierre Auguste Renoir. The Picnic, Pierre Auguste Renoir. Garden Party, Berthe Morisot. The correct answer is The Picnic, Pierre Auguste Renoir. The Byzantine Empire experienced a period of conflict and division between the Eastern Orthodox Church and the Roman Catholic Church, known as the Great Schism, Protestant Reformation, Investiture Controversy, Crusades. The correct answer is Great Schism. What is the central region of a galaxy called? Core, halo, nebula, arm. The correct answer is core. Glyptodon, a prehistoric mammal, is believed to be closely related to another extinct mammal called Megatherium, Smilodon, Paraceratherium, Brontotherium. The correct answer is Megatherium. Who designed the first US coin? George Washington, Benjamin Franklin, Paul Revere, Thomas Jefferson. The correct answer is Benjamin Franklin. What is the atomic number of gallium on the periodic table? 31, 40, 50, 60. The correct answer is 31. What type of star is our Sun classified as? Red giant, white dwarf, yellow dwarf, neutron star. The correct answer is yellow dwarf. Which common farm animal lacks upper front teeth? Pig, cow, horse, chicken. The correct answer is cow. The first vaccine ever created was for which disease? Polio, smallpox, measles, rabies. The correct answer is smallpox. Which African country on the equator is known for its coastal capital of Malabo? Gabon, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Republic of the Congo, Equatorial Guinea. The correct answer is Equatorial Guinea. Which art movement is Pablo Picasso most associated with? Impressionism, Cubism, Surrealism, Dadaism. The correct answer is Cubism.